Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now today we're going to be talking about the Charger and the Challenger going away. You know, a lot of people have been saying that in 2024 the Charger Challenger is going away. There's not going to be a 392, no 5.7 available, and you know, there's just going to be all new models available and yada yada yada. And you know, if you check the internet, you're going to find pretty much exactly what you want to see. I mean, I checked Motor Trend, I checked Auto Evolution, Hot Cars, Car and Driver, you know, you name it. And there's an article out there for you to read. And, you know, my interpretation of what we're eventually going to see, or what we will see in a timeline order, and what I know to be factual based on what Tim Kuniskis has said in the past and what he's recently said, is that in 2022, we are going to see the first version of their all-electric or some kind of a high electric, high performance new platform that they're going to be releasing. That will then be up for sale, or you can get your hands on it for sale in 2024. And that will bring us to 2024, where the Hellcat will no longer be an option. Now, Tim Kuniskis said there will be some kind of overlap with the Chargers and the Challengers to the new versions of these mopars, okay? We don't know exactly, you know, what they have in store. We know that there's going to be 3 different options, okay? And eventually those are going to be the only option. The Charger and the Challenger are eventually going to get phased out. That being said, there's no deadline. They're not going to just 2024 just stop selling Chargers and Challengers. The Hellcat is done, okay? We pretty much confirmed that, but you will still be able to get your hands on a 392 Scat Pack, a 5.7 or a V6 in those models, at least until 2026. From there, who knows? That's what I know to be factual. Everything else is kind of made up. I'm going to show you guys some of the articles that I've seen. The most recent is Motor Trend, where they kind of give a breakdown of the timeline. But like I said, 2022, you're going to start seeing some changes. 2024, the Hellcat goes away, but you're still going to get a Charger or a Challenger. You still can get one of those. And then 2026, I think you're going to start seeing the Charger and the Challenger kind of fade away. These are the 2 models that got me into Mopar. And to see them go away for electrical models, and I don't want to place judgment. I don't want to say that I'm not going to like them and that I'm going to go to, you know, a different brand and this, that, and the other thing, because I would like to see them carry on that tradition. What I originally thought was that they were going to put some motors on the current Chargers and Challengers, make them faster, and kind of continue on this success that they're building upon. The current sales say that you shouldn't touch them, okay? But there's outside influences making them and forcing their hand to make changes. Unfortunately, my optimistic brain was saying go with alternate fueling, go with a zero emissions, make fuel stations at Dodge dealerships, and you can fill up there with E85 or something along those lines. You could even do it where the Demon, where you have an all-electric car and then you put a new PCM in and then it unlocks the gas-powered version. I don't know. I was really hoping that they would be creative about, you know, this future. I still haven't seen what they had in mind, okay? So we don't know. But, you know, the future does not look the best, and it's only because the people that are writing articles and talking about it only see what's currently available. Like I pointed out in a past video, all we see are Teslas, okay, and all electric vehicles. There's no integration in between electric motors and, you know, gas powered. I don't know what I don't know what else is out there. I keep poking around, seeing what's up. I am fixing up my house at the moment, so my researching and my ability to kind of check up on things has been limited. I'm fixing up my bathroom, fixing up a kitchen, just got done with my siding and my backyard. So I've been pretty much fixing up my house the last month, 2 months. That's why you guys have seen less videos in that time span. I've been a busy guy. But you know, I'm planning on getting back to doing the full-time YouTubing and you know, pumping out more videos at some point. I had to put a hold, obviously, on the Charger. There's a huge issue from a personal perspective that's I'm going through, and it has halted my ability to spend money on my charger and, you know, continue on the build and such. So this happened 3 or 4 months ago, and you know, I'm not really going to get into it. At some point I'll tell you guys a little bit about it, but the future is coming, and unfortunately it doesn't look like the Charger and the Challenger are really included too far into it. You're talking 2026 is likely the last year that you're going to be getting your hands on a Charger or a Challenger. You know, after that, it's a toss-up, guys. You know, as of right now, we just don't know. One, 2, 3. All right. All right, guys. So welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. What I've been up to is getting the kitchen all done. We just did the back siding and the soffits and the lighting, right? She's laughing because I look like a knucklehead with my GoPro strapped to my head. Huh? You can't even take me serious right now. This is what happened. This is what I look like when I need my hands, you know? So, what have you been up to?
Trying to figure out Shane's school project.
Okay. Very good.